Hi, my name's Aaron. I created this when I was pricing circuit boards, and basically a account manager would get a call from a customer. Customer would need a price on a circuit board, and as you can see, all the information would get filled out over here and the pricing set. This area up here is left blank, so that way we could put in a company logo and design. Anyway, the customer would call in, and while the account manager was talking with them, they can open up the file, look for their customer code, and of course, they're chit chatting with the customer, and they can type in a quote number. And then the sales representative can ask the customer for the part number that they're getting a quote on and what revision it is at, and the file that they would be sending over. And basically, with the circuit board, they all come in different sizes, so the sales person would ask what size their circuit board is, what the max copper weight is internally, what the min copper weight, and the external copper weight, what type of finish they want on their board, how many layers the circuit board would be, and what kind of material they want for their circuit board, and how many holes are drilled into the circuit board. That makes a difference in price. And what the minimum trace space is. And then what type of turn time, 5 days, 10 days, 25 days. And the quantity on their circuit boards, 50, 150, 225. And at the end of the conversation, all the information is filled out and ready to go for the customer. If they had lower quantities, of course we can go back and the pricing is going to be different. So yeah, that is one of my pieces of work that I did years ago, and it's still something that can be utilized. And when I started with this company, they pretty much had a tablet of paper that had all the questions on it that the salesperson would sit there and hand fill out on the phone with all the customer information, everything we just went through, and have to take that piece of paper over to a pricer where he would manually calculate some of the formulas and put them into an iQuote system. So that process took us anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes to do, and just hand putting them in. And this way, it's instantaneous, and the customer can have their pricing right there on the phone and emailed over right away. And the background work is all these calculations, which in another video I'll dive into and start dissecting some of this. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope it is informative. Keep checking in and subscribe so that way when I start dissecting and explaining how this thing works, you'll get notification. Thank you.